Hi, I'm Sujay Santra, founder and CEO at iCure. iCure's journey started in 2010 to address the inadequate and inaccessible primary healthcare for the last mile using technology. We have impacted 12 million population across 8 states in India. We have the data capability powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithm for the actionable research interventions and many more. With a foolproof model, we began at a small scale, but soon we learned the limitation of the model that could reach only a fraction of the population when the problem was common for 70% of the India's rural villages. We wondered, can iCure solve the problem individually? Can we create doctors overnight or build infrastructure to solve the problem at scale? The answer was no. The problem is dynamic and multivariant in nature. On one hand, we have primary health centers that remains ineffective and less utilized due to the shortage of staff, resources, and quality care. And on the other hand, India, with a vast population of 1.3 billion, needs to build 200,000 health and wellness centers to address the demand and the supply gap. In this context, iCure with 200 centers was insignificant to match up to the need. Societal platform thinking was important for us to reflect that technology can be the key enabler to scale, but it cannot bring different actors, co-create solutions together and amplify at a population scale. iCure aimed to build a shared infrastructure for multiple actors to come together to solve the common goal. We wanted to create such infrastructure where people can access the health system with hope and newer possibilities. The Naga Telehealth was an effort to introduce the platform thinking of co-creating together with the government, technology partners, research partners, NGOs, and the grassroots members. The system opened access to healthcare, prevention, and wellness for the entire state of Nagaland, leveraging 192 sub-health centers and 19 primary healthcare centers. The prototype model is adopted in Khoti district, Jharkhand, with JICA to transform the ineffective health system into a dynamic one. It is serving the district hospitals, community sub-centers, and primary health centers. This has set an example for other state governments to follow, where we are partnering with 5 state governments to leverage the shared digital health infrastructure for greater utilization and access to health and wellness centers, and promote prevention and awareness at the community level through frontline health workers. The platform is also available in hybrid model to drive rapid adoption and evaluation in the local context using the physical health workforce presence at patients' doorsteps. The shared digital infrastructure has co-created network of engagement at different levels. It has enabled remote health monitoring services through the NGOs and self-help groups, and addressing the behavioral and cultural barriers that cause vaccine hesitancies in the rural villages through the frontline health workers. It will bring 200,000 frontline health workers using the shared infrastructure at a mass level. In all these cases, the architecture design need to foster trust and ownership. Use of AI model can only find relevance if the platform ensures data privacy for all the actors in the ecosystem. Towards this, iCure is working with ODI Microsoft to develop an automated open data platform, ensuring right data reaches to the right hands. A shared and collective understanding of different stakeholders can solve the problem of healthcare in totality. Through our shared infrastructure, we aim to reach to our beneficiaries irrespective of where they are. iCure through the SP lens believes the power of shared infrastructure can amplify its potential to serve at a population scale. Thank you.